Crystal Reports for Enterprise enables you to change the data source for an existing report. When you select a new data source, Crystal Reports compares the objects to those in the existing data source, automatically mapping objects whenever the object names and data types match. When objects in the two data sources do not match, you must map objects manually. In this tutorial, you will change the data source for a report and manually map an object. Note that this tutorial covers features available in SAP Crystal Reports for Enterprise, version 14.0.0, Build R760V 2010-1019. To navigate, use the viewer controls or follow the on-screen instructions, if available. This report currently uses the Extreme CR Universe. Set the report to use the Sales Universe instead. Click Data. Select Set Data Source Location. The left pane shows the current data source for the report. Choose the new data source you want to use. Click Choose Data Source. Select the Sales UNX Universe. Click Finish. You must select the source and target data source icons before you can update the data source for the report. Select the Extreme CR UNX Universe. Press Ctrl and select the Sales UNX Universe. Click Update. In the Source Tables and Target Tables panes you can see the objects available in the source and target data sources. Objects that have been automatically mapped appear in gray. Those that do not match appear in black. Map the Customer Credit ID object from the Extreme CR Universe to the appropriate object in the Sales Universe. Click plus to expand the Customer folder. Notice that the Credit ID object in the target data source appears in black, indicating that it is not mapped. Select Customer Credit ID. Select Credit ID. Click Map. Notice that the Customer Credit ID and Credit ID objects now appear in the list of mapped objects in the bottom pane. Click OK. Click OK. Click Close. You have successfully changed the data source for a report. This is the end of the tutorial.